Natural ingredients help you to achieve smooth, glowing, brighter, and youthful-looking skin. Many skin brightening ingredients that are used in expensive skin brightening products can be found right in your daily pantry or kitchen. So today's video is about brightening face mask. This DIY brightening face mask will help you to get rid of acne marks and dull complexion. So without further ado, the ingredients you need to prepare this face mask are 2 teaspoons of red lentil powder, 2 teaspoons of oats powder, 1 teaspoon of chickpea flour, 1/4 tsp of turmeric powder. Mix them well with the help of rose water to get a homogeneous paste. Apply it to your face for about 10 to 15 minutes. Wash your face with lukewarm water. You will notice your face has an instant brightening effect and glow. You can also apply the mask on your body where you have tan skin. For better results, use this mask on alternate days.